Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making a crab using an orange peel. Cut it out like this and make its eyes and legs and it's ready. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet, cut it out and apply the sellotape all over it. Now take a leaf to make the fish out of it, make its eyes, make few more and your beautiful photo frame is ready. Next, take a orange peel, cut it out. Now draw the designs on it like this and cut it like this. Now make the legs and the face of the turtle. Fix it using the toothpicks like this. Make its face, stick its eyes, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it out. Now apply the sellotape all over the sheet. Now we will make a beautiful tree. Take the leaves like this, cut them and stick it over the sellotape one by one to make the tree like this. Paste it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a beautiful butterfly using the leaves. Cut the leaves like this and join them together. Fold it from the between and then fold it from the top like this. Now spread it on the back to make its wings. Draw the patterns on it, decorate it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take an eggshell like this and then color it using different colors. Now paste it on the white sheet to make a flower vase like this. Now stick the stick like this and using the clay we will make small cute flowers like this. You can use any colors. Give it a shape like this and paste it and your flowers are ready. Next, we will make a giraffe using an orange peel. So cut the orange out and then paste them like this. Make its eyes, mouth, draw the patterns on its body like this. Make few more as such if you want. Make a tree near it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making beautiful girl watching the butterflies in the sky. First, we will make the girl's face and paste the leaves to make its body and its back. Now, using the leaves, we will make the butterflies like this. Decorate them by drawing the patterns on its wings and it's ready. Next, we will take the leaves like this and paste it on the black sheet to make the feathers of the peacock. Now we will make the face and the body of the peacock using a leaf like this. Paste it and stick its eyes, draw its feathers and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. First, take the leaves like this and paste it on the white sheet into small pieces like this. Now, using the empty peanut shell, we will make the cute birds sitting on the ground. Now, make their beaks and legs, draw its eyes, and it's ready. Next, we will make a glass jar. First, we will take a brown sheet like this and then cut it from the between. Now, paste the sellotape on it. Now, stick the leaves over it like this, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the empty peanut shell and paste it on the white sheet to make the giraffe. Make its ears, make its eyes, make its legs and neck, draw its cute tail, make one more giraffe, decorate it using the leaves like this and it's ready. Next, we will make a wolf using the leaves. So first, take a dry leaf and paste it like this. Now take a yellow color leaf and paste it like this on the black sheet. Paste the green leaf over it. Make its face by sticking the leaf like this. Make its ears, draw its eyes and mouth like this. Make its tail and your wolf is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating one more beautiful painting or a drawing. For that, we'll be needing a beautiful red color leaf like this. Cut it and fix the face of the fairy on it. Now we will make its dress like this using the leaves. Paste them to make its frock. Make a fairy stick in her hand like this. And your beautiful fairy is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a cat watching the fishes upward. So for that, we will take a leaf like this and paste it. Now we will make its face, stick the leaf like this, make its ears, stick its eyes, draw its tail like this. Now we will stick the fishes on the top of it like this, paste it using the leaves and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.